Mm. Ano? Snake. So, rules are rules.
Fine.
Sandali lang.
Bakit?
Rules are rules, di ba?
I got a ladder.
Oh. Pag ako napunta sa snake, ako yung maghubad. Pag ikaw yung napunta sa ladder, ikaw yung maghuhubad. Shit! Wala na akong maubad pa eh. That was my last.
Rules are rules.
Maubad dito.
And ayan,
thank you.
hanggang sa
Thank you.
naglaplapan na sila, hanggang sa nag-sex sila dyan. Ganon.
Sa kitchen?
Yeah.
Kadiri, we eat there.
I mean, feeling ko talaga nag-round to sila ni Adrian sa counter na. Hashtag stamina.
Ako, I don't think ganun talaga yung nangyari. Adrian's not the aggressive type.
Well, you don't know Adrian. I've been with Adrian since grade 5 versus ikaw na parang tagyawat na pumasok sa buhay namin ng college.
Hindi ba parang shy type si Dave?
Kung hindi siya nagkamali ng unit number na pinasukan, he would have been fucking someone else. Well, I guess he just got what he came for. Pun intended.
Kadiri ka, corny-corny mo. Ito na. O, ayan na. Oh.
Okay, I've been waiting for this.
So, what did Adrian text, diba? I wanna
Eto,
see.
I'll show you. David arrived with snakes and ladders, 3 exclamation points. We played until we fell asleep. Smiley face. Ayan.
Hindi ko din message
May
yan.
kinda?
Walang out of context yan. Feeling ko yan yung nangyari.
Mish, but Adrian wanted him. And David, he came back.
At naglaro sila ng board games.
Board games. God. Why are you so sure na wala nangyari sa kanila?
Take photos of the food naman.
I'll post this on my Blood profile. This is bading food anyway.
Why blood?
Hindi ako nagpo-food shot sa IG. It's very off-brand for me. So ano nga, bakit sa tingin mo wala nangyari sa kanilang dalawa?
I like him, si David. Bait siya.
But he's young, no? He's younger than us.
Yeah, pero nasasakay niya tayo. And to think, imagine ha, he wasn't offended at all by you that night.
Or, magaling lang talaga siya magtago ng emotions niya.
Weds.
Either way, I like him. So wait, eto na talaga. Last na. Ano na lang sa tingin mo yung nangyari ng gabi?
Alam mo, tingin ko,
Thanks for this, but
What?
it's late and we're drunk. So,
Pwede ako bumalik. Next time.
Don't leave. I want you.
salot ka, hindi kasi ganyan si Adrian. Alam mo, mabait yun. So, he would have said, it's late. Dito ka na lang matulog.
Una na ako para iwas traffic. Okay?
see, pagod ka na. Ito ka na matulog.
Stay here na lang.
Gaga, hindi ganyan boses ni Adrian.
Ganyan kasi. Stay here na lang.
Pero sige, go. Continue. Drink, drink.
So,
Alam mo, matulog na tayo.
Sige, pero dito na lang ako.
Hindi na, wag ka na dito. Yung tayo sa kwarto. Malaki ang kama ko.
Adrian told David,
Yes.
come to my bedroom.
Yes! Yes! Ganyan. Ganyan. I like this better than the
Oh, wait,
script Snakes and Ladders.
I'm not
Sige,
finished. Wait. So, tapos,
Sige, upo ka muna dyan. Kuha lang kita ng damit.
ayun, natulog sila. That's it.
Yuck.
What?
No wonder you're single. Fucking hate that version.
Okay, first of all, I'm single. Kasi hindi ko kailangan ng relationship para ma-validate ang sarili ko. You know what? I had to take care of my last 2 boyfriends
Wow.
kasi masyado nilang seryoso ang pagiging boy. So, I need a real man.
Wow.
At habang hindi pa ako nakakahanap ng real man, I will be single and fabulous, ha?
Ang ina, napaka-touchy subject.
Yeah.
Sabihin mo yun, pa nagpapavalidate tayo ng, ng parking sa SM, ha? Grabe.
Alam mo ikaw, kilala kita, nagpo-project ka.
Po-project kanino?
Po-project ka! Hey, David, gusto mo siya eh. You like him too, don't you? Oh,
Well, that's cute.
God, I knew
Ano?
it. Hindi pwede, he's under my protection. Hands off.
Hina ka? Ano ka? UN Peacekeeping Commission? O hindi ka niya nanay, ha? Stop it.
Well, I'll keep him in my room and stuff him in my pepek.
Kadiri
From the
ka.
both of you. Alam mo ba, he's so nice. He's so fun to be with.
Okay. Okay.
Oh,
Relax.
yeah,
I
calm your
mean-
tits.
He's cute. I like him. That's it. Wala kang balak sa kanya.
I'll make sure.
Relax at it.
Kasi may nag-text.
Mm.
And he's here.
Ha? Ina mo, you invited him.
Ako mga penguin ng kami.
Hi guys!
Hi!
Uy!
Hello!
So nice of you naman to join. Basta ito,
Yeah.
eat this ha. Kasi hindi tayo nagagalaw ng Jetson. Malinis yun. Walang mikrobo.
Thanks, thanks. So, kanina pa kayo dito?
It's nice. Yeah. Wait. What happened the other night?
Wala.
Wala.
Anong wala? Nag-text sa akin si Adrian, ha? I mean, Adrian texts me everything. As in, we're best friends and I'm the Kelly to his Beyonce. So tell me, what happened the other night?
Wala. Tinext ko lang siya. I just thought he might want to play some board games.
Bakla. Defensive. Uy, niloloko ka lang namin, ha?
Anyway, it doesn't matter. I wanted to get used to this kasi madami akong
Yeah.
freebies, madami akong clients. Basta
Yes.
sumama ka lang sa amin. Ha? Yeah! Go.
Well, I don't really celebrate my birthday with my family. Hindi kami close eh. Alam naman nila about me, pero hindi namin pinag-uusapan ever. So, sila lagi kasama ko mag-celebrate. Boring ko, no? Shit, I bored myself. You don't talk too much.
Hindi. Natatakot lang kasi ako mag-open up. Natatakot ako na baka may masabi akong hindi maganda or masabi ako mali.
Okay lang
Sorry.
yan. I know exactly how you feel. I'm also like that.
Hindi kaya.
Acting lang yun.
Mahilig lang ako mag-observe.
Tapos,
Tapos, gagawa ko ng comic sa nakita ko.
gagawa ka about us.
Yeah.
Sapat na sa'kin ang ganito, oh. Ang pagmasdan ka sa malayo, kapag kinausap, walang masagot, hiningay lagot. Hindi ko naman yata ikamamatay kung hindi ko mawakan ng iyong kamay. Handa kong mabuhay sa aking kalokohan. Kung wala ka sa aking buhay, walang kalungkutan. Munting ligayang iyong hatid tuwing dahan-dahan kang darating. Kagandahan masisilayan, dahan-dahan lilisan.